Welcome to our cozy kitchen. Today, we're making a rustic sun-dried tomato and spinach tortellini soup, perfect for any season. First, gather your ingredients: olive oil, garlic, onion, carrots, celery, vegetable broth, sun-dried tomatoes, spinach, tortellini, and seasonings. In a large pot, heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion, 2 minced garlic cloves, 2 diced carrots, and 2 diced celery stalks. Cook until they start to soften. Pour in 6 cups of vegetable broth, bringing a rich base to our soup. Chop cup of sun-dried tomatoes and add them to the pot, infusing the broth with a tangy sweetness. Season with 1 teaspoon of dried basil, 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, salt, and pepper to taste. Bring the soup to a boil, then reduce the heat to simmer for about 10 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Add 2 cups of fresh spinach to the pot. Watch as it wilts beautifully into the soup. Drop in 9 ounces of your favorite tortellini, letting it cook directly in the simmering broth. Stir the soup gently, ensuring the tortellini cooks evenly and soaks up the delicious flavors. After the tortellini is tender, adjust the seasoning if necessary, tailoring the soup to your taste. For a touch of creaminess, add a splash of heavy cream or a dairy-free alternative, stirring well. Let the soup simmer for an additional 5 minutes, combining all the wonderful textures and flavors. Prepare to serve the soup, ladling it into bowls with a generous helping of ingredients in each. Garnish with grated Parmesan cheese and a few fresh basil leaves for an extra layer of flavor. Pair this heartwarming soup with a slice of crusty bread, perfect for dipping. Invite your loved ones to the table, serving the soup hot for a comforting meal. Savor each bite, enjoying the harmonious blend of sun-dried tomatoes, spinach, and tortellini. Thank you for joining me in making this delightful rustic sun-dried tomato and spinach tortellini soup. Enjoy!